Bubble Bath Nails, the clean girl mani taking 2025 by storm. Ready to make your hands look effortlessly elegant? So, what are bubble bath nails? Think soft, sheer pink with a hint of beige. Like your natural nails, only glossier, healthier, and super polished. Inspired by OPI's iconic bubble bath shade, celebs brides anyone who loves a bit of low-key luxury. Why are bubble bath nails everywhere in 2025? Minimalism is in. They match every outfit, they match every vibe, they match every occasion, job interviews, weddings, plus influencers and A-listers are obsessed. And honestly, who can blame them? Want to try it? Start with clean, shaped nails. Apply a base coat, 2 to 3 thin layers of bubble bath pink. For extra flair, add chrome powder. Glitter classic French tips. Finish with a glossy top coat and let it dry. Pro tip: thin coats last longer. Reapply top coat every few days for that fresh, glassy shine. Best shades: OPI Bubble Bath, Essie Ballet Slippers, Zoya Bella Olive and June Pink Sands. Bottom line, bubble bath nails are timeless, elegant. They make every hand look chic no matter the year. So why not give your nails the clean girl upgrade today?